Have you ever wondered what secrets Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, might be hiding? Just like an ancient Greek god, Jupiter, the king of planets, reigns supreme with its colossal size and majestic presence in our cosmic neighborhood. This gas giant, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, is so massive that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. But Jupiter's size isn't its only claim to fame. It's also the proud parent of a large family, boasting a whopping 79 moons, each with their unique characteristics and mysteries. From the volcanic Io to the icy Europa, Jupiter's moons are worlds of their own, waiting to be explored. This grandeur and the secrets it holds make Jupiter a fascinating subject for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. So are you ready to embark on a journey that unravels the enigma that is Jupiter? So buckle up, space enthusiasts, as we delve into the intriguing world of Jupiter. Did you know that a day on Jupiter only lasts 9.9 Earth hours, making it the planet with the shortest day in our solar system? It's true. Jupiter's speedy rotation is one of the many aspects that make this giant planet so fascinating. Let's delve a little deeper into the secrets of Jupiter. One of the most distinctive features of this celestial giant is its powerful magnetic field, which is a staggering 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic field creates stunning auroras at the poles, similar to our northern and southern lights, but on a much grander scale. And who could forget the iconic Great Red Spot? This colossal storm has been raging on Jupiter for at least 300 years and is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. The winds within this storm reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour, making it one of the most intense weather phenomena in our solar system. Jupiter is also home to a faint ring system, much like its celestial neighbor Saturn. However, Jupiter's rings are made up of tiny dust particles kicked up by impacts from incoming comets and asteroids, creating a ghostly halo around the planet. Recent discoveries have also revealed the existence of water in Jupiter's atmosphere. This is a significant finding, as the presence of water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. While it's unlikely that life exists on Jupiter due to its harsh conditions, these discoveries open up new possibilities for the existence of life elsewhere in our vast universe. And that's just scratching the surface of what Jupiter has to offer. From its rapid rotation to its powerful magnetic field, its raging storms to its faint rings, and the recent discoveries of water in its atmosphere, Jupiter continues to captivate and intrigue us with its secrets. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what else we'll uncover about this fascinating celestial giant. Jupiter is not just another planet, it's a celestial body full of surprises and wonders. This colossal entity, 5 times further from the Sun than Earth, has been a celestial shield, its strong gravitational pull diverting asteroids and comets that could have otherwise posed a threat to inner planets like ours. Imagine, without Jupiter, Earth could have been a different world altogether. This gas giant, with its turbulent weather and iconic Great Red Spot, has influenced our understanding of the complex dynamics that govern our solar system. Scientists have sent numerous missions to unravel Jupiter's mysteries, like the Juno spacecraft, which is currently orbiting the planet. And the future holds more excitement. The planned Europa Clipper mission will investigate Jupiter's moon Europa, believed to harbor a subsurface ocean. The more we learn about Jupiter, the more we realize its importance in our cosmic neighborhood. So we've journeyed through the vast expanse of our solar system to explore the wonders of Jupiter. We've discovered that Jupiter isn't just the largest planet in our solar system, it's a behemoth, dwarfing even the Sun in size. We've unmasked its unique characteristics, from its raging storms that last for centuries to its complex and diverse system of moons. We've also delved into Jupiter's pivotal role in the cosmic ballet of our solar system. Acting as a celestial shield, it diverts comets and asteroids away from the inner planets, including our very own Earth. Jupiter really is a planet of wonder, a mysterious giant with so much more to reveal. As we've discovered, space exploration is a journey of endless discovery, with Jupiter being one of its most intriguing destinations. Remember, space exploration never ends. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to subscribe to Fun Fact Finder for more fascinating facts about our universe.